The fossil kit that we're using for our teachers, right? I'm going to use corals as an example of what's in there. So one of the things you'll see is this is an Australia palmata. It's a reef coral from the Chesapeake, 10, 15, 20 million years old. There's also button corals, which don't look like much, maybe, but when you see them under a microscope with magnification or even with a handheld magnifying glass, all of a sudden you get 3D imaging and the structures are wild. Also in the kit, to show that fossils have changed over time, this is a horn coral, a rugose coral, and it's a couple 100 million years old. So 3 different types of corals, 3 different representations, 3 different places, if you will. Maryland, Delaware for the button coral, C&D Canal, and upstate New York. And phenomenal change, phenomenal diversity over the time frame.